basic formatting we have been done. Now we'll learn about a alignment. For example, this serial number is there. I would like to align this one. It is already aligned to the right hand side. Okay, I would like to align to the left hand side of the column. Okay, on the first of the column, left hand side of the column. What we have to do? We have to select that column. The data we have to select from the row number 3. Select that first. Click and drag so that I have been selected a data. Then go to here alignment here, and select first one, that is the left alignment, so that all will be aligned to the left hand side of the your column, left hand side of the column. Okay, the similarly, for example, this one I would like to align to a uh, this is already in a this one I would like to align in at a center. Select align center, so that this way we can use the alignment. You can align center, right, or left. Okay, that's about a entire alignment in terms of the column data. For example, if it is a vertical alignment, okay, vertical alignment is nothing but, for example, you have been taken bigger column, bigger row it is there. This text, you if you like to make it on a center of the column, okay, it is on a center of the column, but center of the row if you like to arrange, then we will go to a vertical alignment, center. So at the middle it will come. If you selected top, it will align at the top of that particular row, middle, and bottom. Okay, this way vertically if you like to align, when you have a bigger column, bigger row width, when you have a bigger row width. Okay, there's about a alignment. Then one more thing comes about a wrapping a test. Wrapping a test is nothing but, for example, here I have been written the company name Beta Academy, but you can observe that is a overflow, in the sense it is not adjusted with the column width. The in a second column, C column also, small part will be in a C column also. To adjust to this particular width, B column width, then we are using a wrap test. How to get it done? Select that which one you would like to adjust, select that cell, go to here, text text wrapping. There we have to select a wrap. Second option is that wrap, so that it will be adjusted to a your column width. Automatically it will adjust to a column width. Again, if I go and select overflow, it will come back like a, the text will be overflow on a second column also. For example, if you like to hide the text which is there on a C column, then we have to go to text wrapping and select clip. Okay, this is a way we can adjust the if it is a overflow is there, in the sense the bigger name is there, and if you like to adjust to with that particular column, these three options you can use. Okay, then one more thing comes, it is about a rotating a text. For example, this particular text if you like to rotate it, okay, for example, this particular text if you like to rotate like this, tilted up or down, or vertically if you like to write it, or if you like it, write it vertically like this, within a one column width, like this. Okay, in the sense whatever the way if you like to change, you can change here with the degree also. Okay, we can give the any angle you can use to change the text rotation. Okay, this is about a rotating a text. Okay, these are some of the alignment options available to make your document attractive. And if you are not finding any of them here, if you are not finding any of them here, okay, then we can go with the format. Okay, here in our main toolbar, go to format. The whatever we have been discussed in a previous video about bold, italic, underline, or strike through, font size, changing a font size, all will be here. Okay, everything is here. And the second thing is about alignment, what we have been discussed now: left, right, and center alignment, and if it is in a row wise top, middle and bottom alignment. Merge cell, what we have been discussed about a previous case, we have been discussed about a merging a cell. Text wrapping, what workflow, wrap and clip. A rotation, all the type of rotation we can give the all the angles here. Okay, these are available. If you are not finding any of the formatting options here and alignment options here in a quick access toolbar, you can get it done by using a format tool. Okay,